So you want to make some nice quick welds in Zbrush, and you don't want to shell out a bunch of money for a specific brush or plugin. I got you. This is one way of doing it. Take your mesh where you want the join to have the weld. In this instance, I've made two cylinders with one being smaller than the other. I've thrown it into Zbrush and given it a quick boolean to join the two meshes together. And then I hit that Dynamesh. This will create better topology for your welds. I might even throw in a ZRemesh just to make sure the topology is super nice. I then hit that polish slider to make the mesh all nice and smooth. And here's the important part. Pick the clay brush and then pick a hard edge circle alpha and set the brush intensity to around 77. And now just start building up those welds. And that's it. Easy welds. No fuss, no money. Well, except for Zbrush itself.